Welcome to our journey through the world's happiest countries, as revealed by the 2025 World Happiness Report. This annual study evaluates nations based on factors such as GDP per capita, social support, healthy life expectancy, freedom, generosity, and perceptions of corruption. Let's explore the top 10 countries where happiness thrives. Rounding out the top 10 is Mexico, where vibrant traditions, strong community bonds, and a focus on family contribute to the nation's joyful spirit. Luxembourg, at ninth place, benefits from a robust economy and a multicultural environment that fosters inclusivity and prosperity. Israel comes in eighth, where a rich cultural heritage and strong family ties play a significant role in the nation's happiness. Norway ranks seventh, with its stunning natural landscapes and a strong social welfare system that ensures a high standard of living for all. Costa Rica, at sixth place, embodies the pura vida lifestyle, emphasizing simplicity, health, and community, which resonates deeply with its citizens. The Netherlands stands fifth, celebrated for its liberal values, high levels of social trust, and a strong sense of community. In fourth place is Sweden, where a balance between work and life, along with the cherished tradition of fika, a coffee and cake break, fosters social bonds and contentment. Iceland ranks third, with its close-knit communities and strong social support systems. The nation's emphasis on equality and resilience contributes significantly to its citizens' happiness. Denmark secures the second spot, renowned for its high quality of life and the concept of hygge, creating a warm atmosphere and enjoying the good things in life with good people. At number 1, for the eighth consecutive year, is Finland. Finns attribute their happiness to strong communal support, mutual trust, and a deep connection with nature. Cultural practices like enjoying sunlight during long summer days and the widespread use of saunas contribute to their well-being. These nations exemplify how cultural values, social support, and a sense of community can create environments where happiness flourishes. While each country has its unique approach, the common thread is a commitment to well-being and quality of life for all citizens.